Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing mint face pack at home. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 20 to 25 fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of pure honey, and 2 tablespoons of fragrant rose water. Make sure your mint leaves are clean and ready to be transformed into a wonderful skin treatment. This combination is fantastic for a natural glow. Next, let's prepare the mint paste. Take your clean mint leaves and grind them thoroughly. You can use a traditional mortar and pestle for this, or a small blender with just a few drops of water to help it along. The key is to achieve a very fine, smooth paste without any large pieces. This ensures the pack's effectiveness and a pleasant application experience. Now, it's time to combine everything. Transfer your freshly made mint paste into a clean mixing bowl. Carefully add 1 tablespoon of natural honey, known for its moisturizing properties, and then pour in 2 tablespoons of soothing rose water. Stir all these wonderful ingredients together very well. You want a perfectly uniform and smooth mixture, ready for application. Finally, apply this amazing mint face pack to your clean face and neck. Be sure to avoid the delicate skin around your eyes. Let the pack sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the natural goodness to deeply cleanse and nourish your skin. Afterwards, gently rinse it off with cool water. You'll be left with wonderfully refreshed, glowing, and clear skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.